Page 18, Unit 3. What day is it today? Lesson 1, Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
Hello, class.
Hello, Miss Yen.
B.
What day is it today, class?
It's Monday.
C.
Very good. And what do we have on Mondays?
We have English.
D.
And when is the next English class? On Wednesday.
No, it's on Tuesday.
That's right, Mai. It's on Tuesday.
Page 18, Activity 2. Point and say.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
A.
Monday.
B.
Tuesday.
C.
Wednesday.
D.
Thursday.
E.
Friday.
F.
Saturday.
G.
Sunday.
Page 19, Activity 3. Listen and tick. 1. Hello, class.
Hello, Mr. Locke.
What day is it today, class?
It's Thursday.
Very good. Time for English. 2.
What day is it today, Num?
It's Tuesday.
So we have English today, right?
Yes, that's right.
3.
It's Tuesday. We have English today.
No, it isn't Tuesday. It's Wednesday. We don't have English today.
Oh, you're right.
Page 19, Activity 5. Let's sing. We have English today.
What day is it today? It's Monday. We have English today. Do you have English on Wednesdays? No! We have English on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. What day is it today? It's Wednesday. We have English today. Do you have English on Thursdays? No! We have English on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Page 20, Lesson 2. Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
What do you do on Fridays, Num?
I go to school in the morning.
B.
How about in the afternoon?
I help my parents at home.
C.
What do you do on Saturdays?
I visit my grandparents in the morning.
D.
And in the afternoon?
I play football.
Page 20. Activity 2. Point and say.
What do you do on Mondays?
I go to school in the morning.
And in the afternoon?
I listen to music.
Page 21. Activity 4. Listen and number. 1.
Do you visit your grandparents on Saturdays?
No, I don't.
What do you do?
I go to the zoo.
2.
Do you go swimming on Sundays?
No, I don't.
When do you go swimming?
On Friday afternoons.
3.
Do you go to school on Saturdays?
No, I don't. I go to school from Monday to Friday.
4. What do you do on Tuesday afternoons?
I stay at home. I play the guitar.
Page 22. Lesson 3. Activity 1. Listen and repeat.
First. My birthday is on the 1st of July.
Thursday. I have English on Thursdays.
Her. Mr. Locke is her English teacher.
Page 22. Activity 2. Listen and circle. Then say aloud. 1.
My birthday is on the 1st of July.
2.
We have English on Wednesdays and Thursdays.
3.
This is her class.
Page 22. Activity 3. Let's chant. What do you do on...
1, 2, 3, 4.
What day is it today? It's Friday. What do you do on Fridays? I go to school in the morning. How about in the afternoon? I go swimming. What day is it tomorrow? It's Saturday. Do you go to school on Saturdays? No, I don't. What do you do on Saturdays? I go to the zoo in the morning. I help my parents in the afternoon.